Welcome back, dear viewers, to our channel where we delve into the captivating stories of historical landmarks. Today, we have a remarkable narrative to share with you, one that spans centuries and encompasses the indomitable spirit of faith and devotion. Join us as we explore the fascinating history of Kedarnath Temple, a sacred abode nestled amidst the mighty Himalayas. The site of Kedarnath Temple, majestically perched at an elevation of over 11,000 feet, is awe-inspiring. For centuries, this ancient shrine has attracted devotees from around the world, drawn to its spiritual aura and divine significance. However, what makes Kedarnath Temple truly extraordinary is the fact that it remained buried under the snow for a staggering 400 years. To understand the profound history of Kedarnath Temple, we must travel back in time to the 8th century. According to legends, it was the revered Hindu philosopher and theologian Adi Shankaracharya who established this holy site. Shankaracharya played a pivotal role in reviving and propagating Hinduism across the Indian subcontinent, and Kedarnath Temple holds a special place in his legacy. The temple's architecture is a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of ancient builders. Constructed in the traditional North Indian style, it features a towering shikara spire, adorned with intricate carvings and a stone lingam, an iconic representation of Lord Shiva. The temple's serene surroundings, with the Mandakini River flowing nearby, further enhance its ethereal beauty. Every great temple carries within it an enchanting legend, and Kedarnath Temple is no exception. According to Hindu, it was here that Lord Shiva sought refuge after the Pandavas sought his forgiveness for their sins committed during the Mahabharata war. As a result, the temple holds immense significance for both Shaivites and Vaishnavites, two major sects of Hinduism. The intriguing chapter of Kedarnath Temple's history lies in the period between the 14th and 18th centuries. It is believed that during this time, a severe winter storm engulfed the region, burying the temple under a thick layer of snow. The temple and its surroundings were entirely inaccessible, leading to a prolonged period of abandonment and isolation. It wasn't until the early 19th century that efforts were initiated to rediscover and revive Kedarnath Temple. In 1815, the temple was rediscovered by a local shepherd who stumbled upon its buried entrance. Recognizing the importance of this sacred site, the shepherd informed the then ruler of the Harigarwal, who ordered the temple's restoration. The reconstruction process was an arduous task that involved not only unearthing the temple but also reinstating its grandeur. Skilled artisans and craftsmen were enlisted to meticulously rebuild the temple, ensuring that its original architectural charm was preserved. The efforts were led by visionary leaders and devotees who believed in the temple's sanctity. Today, Kedarnath Temple stands tall as a symbol of unwavering faith and devotion. Devotees from all walks of life embark on arduous journeys to reach this holy site, enduring treacherous terrain and harsh weather conditions. The temple serves as a beacon of hope, offering solace to those seeking spiritual solace and blessings from Lord Shiva. Beyond its religious significance, Kedarnath Temple's location in the lap of the Himalayas provides visitors with breathtaking views of nature's grandeur. The snow-capped peaks, gushing rivers, and serene atmosphere create an ambience of tranquility, attracting nature enthusiasts and explorers alike. The story of Kedarnath Temple is one of resilience, restoration, and unyielding faith. Despite being buried in snow for 400 years, this sacred shrine has emerged stronger than ever, inviting devotees and travelers to experience its mystical allure. As we conclude our journey today, we hope this tale of Kedarnath Temple has left an indelible impression on your hearts, inspiring you to cherish the stories of our rich heritage. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing historical narratives. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.